Welcome to this guided introduction to simple meditation. It's a pleasure to meet you here. Let's together create a space of peace and tranquility. Please allow yourself a few moments to find a comfortable position. This can be either seated or lying down. And before we begin, I'd like to let you know I am thankful for you being here today. It shows open-mindedness and willingness to endeavour into a transformative new experience with meditation. Meditation is very simple but yet very effective and holds the possibilities for change, healing and finding mental stability in all areas of our lives. I'm Neil Redmond and welcome to the Inner Yogi. I'd like you to take a few moments to lay aside any preconceptions or ideas that you hold about meditation. Any ideas of how meditation should make you feel. And last but not least, the very untrue idea that the needing to quiet the mind in order for meditation to be attained or achieved in order for it to be effective. Now we have put aside all our expectations. We are allowing ourselves to have a new and direct experience with this ancient practice that has been used for many different cultures and many different religions around the world. The idea of getting meditation wrong is a very common thought for people who are new to this practice. As we have already started our journey together with this direct experience with meditation, starting right here, right now, in this present moment, we can quickly learn that quieting the mind is more or less impossible. Allowing our thoughts to naturally arise and die a natural death is the first key to achieving stillness. We don't have to be distracted by the voices or the thoughts that continuously reoccur while in meditation. Meditation will always begin within the stillness of the body. When uncomfortable feelings arise or uncomfortable thoughts occur and affect our inner landscapes, we can redirect our attention back to the breath, or we can redirect our attention back to the very stillness of this practice. Just simply noticing the restlessness or the irritableness is the first sign of conscious separation of thoughts and feelings and the connection between mind and body that will allow us to build our experience and acknowledge, which will help us with the foundations of our meditation journey. As we have already begun, I would like to remind you of some simple concepts. We are not our feelings. We are not our thoughts. We are simply a witness, sitting in the stillness of this very practice. And as we are doing so, we are cultivating patience, perseverance, persistence and acceptance, changing our perception on who we really are. In order to find true meaning and effectiveness of this simple practice of meditation, we have to do just that. Practice a few moments at the beginning of each day or throughout the day or at sleep. We can find that if we continuously and consciously give our awareness to this very practice of stillness, we will bring a profound change to our experience as a human being. Meditation isn't simply an activity, it is a spiritual practice in which we choose to apply to our daily ritual until it becomes a part of our very lives. Now, for the rest of this meditation, I would like you to remain in the seat of awareness. Sit in this stillness and bear witness to all the thoughts and the feelings that will naturally arise and ultimately always come to pass. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope we can meet again. But for now, enjoy the forever unfolding present moment. Have a beautiful day.